Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change background with Kling AI. This is a really useful feature if you want to turn a simple video into something more cinematic, professional, or creative without reshooting the entire clip. Whether you're making content for YouTube, Reels, ads, product videos, or social media posts, changing the background can help your video match the style, mood, or message you want to create. First, open your browser and go to the official Kling AI website. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose Generate. This takes you into the creation workspace where all the editing tools live. If you're new to the platform, this area is basically your main control center, so most of the creative tools you'll need will usually start from here. At the top of this workspace, you'll see separate sections for images and for videos. Start by clicking Images so the interface loads that panel. Then click Videos to move into the Video tab, which is where we'll handle background changes for moving footage. This is important because image editing and video editing work a little differently, so make sure you're in the video section before you start editing your clip. Next, find the video you want to adjust and click it to select. You'll see a preview and basic details. Choose Modify to bring up the available editing actions. Then click Edit to enter the full editor. Before you move forward, quickly check that you've selected the correct video, especially if you have multiple clips in your workspace, because this will save you from editing the wrong file by mistake. Here's where the magic happens. In the prompt field, describe the new background you want and be clear about what should remain unchanged. For example, you might write, "Keep the person and their motion, replace the background with a sunny beach at golden hour, cinematic lighting, natural colors." The more clearly you explain the scene, the better Kling AI can understand what you're trying to create while keeping the main subject looking natural. Specific, concise language helps Kling preserve your subject while swapping the environment. If you have a mood or style in mind, like vintage film, neon, cyberpunk, or documentary clean, include that as well, but avoid overloading the prompt with conflicting styles. For example, instead of mixing realistic office, cartoon city, and cinematic jungle in one prompt, choose one clear direction so the final result looks more polished and consistent. With your prompt ready, use the Generate button at the top to proceed. Before rendering, you'll choose a few settings. Select a quality level that matches your needs. Higher quality delivers more detail and cleaner edges around your subject, but it may take longer to process. If you're just testing ideas, you can start with a lower or standard quality first, then use higher quality once you're happy with the background style. Pick the desired length for the output so it fits the clip or platform you're targeting. Then set the video ratio, 16:9 for horizontal, 9:16 for vertical, or 1:1 for square, so compositions and crops look correct wherever you plan to post. For YouTube videos, 16:9 usually works best. For Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, 9:16 is usually the better option. For feed-style posts, 1:1 can be a clean choice. Decide how many outputs you want. Multiple outputs give you variations on the same prompt, which is great for creative choices, but they'll require extra processing time and resources. If you're creating content for a client, brand, or campaign, generating a few versions can help you compare different looks and choose the one that feels most natural. When everything looks right, click Generate to start the background replacement. Kling will process the clip and return your results in the gallery. Review the outputs, and if you want a slightly different look, you can return to Edit, refine the prompt, and run it again using the same settings. A small change in wording can make a big difference, so if the background looks too busy, too bright, or not realistic enough, adjust the prompt and try again. That's it. Your background is changed with just a few guided choices in Kling AI. Thanks for watching, and happy creating. If the result looks good, you can use it right away in your video project. And if not, just keep refining your prompt until the background matches the exact look you want.